You all love food no matter what language you speak, but it's difficult to understand English cooking books or blogs if you don't know some English cooking related words. That is why I thought I could give you a hand with it. So let's move on to today's English recipe. Heat oil in a large thick-bottomed frying pan on medium heat. Peel and clean the carrots and celery and chop into small dices. Taste the soup and add some fresh thyme or basil towards the end. Place whole grain rice and black-eyed peas in two separate bowls, cover with water and let soak for 8 to 12 hours. Then drain and rinse and they are ready to be used in the recipe. Prepare the pumpkin, peel it, divide it in half and scoop out the seeds. Add the cubed pumpkin and lemon juice and stir occasionally. Slice the cabbage and discard the stem. Cover with the lid and bring to the boil, then lower the heat and gently simmer for 15 minutes. Grate some cheese and sprinkle it over the pasta. Check every now and then to see if more water is needed and gently stir around. It is ready to serve when the rice and peas are very tender. Serve in bowls with 2 spoons of yogurt and fresh parsley. To prepare the dressing, whisk together the olive oil, soy sauce, lemon juice and mustard in a bowl until it becomes creamy. Gently crush the cumin seeds with a pestle or the back of a knife. Season with salt and pepper. Using your hands, mix the ingredients until you form the dough. Wrap the dough in plastic and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Grind the first 3 ingredients in a blender for 1 minute. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Be sure to subscribe to this channel not to miss my new videos. See you soon and try my secret recipe to learn English faster and easier. Bye bye!